right, we made it. All right. Oh, did that stall?
Yeah.
All right, well, you at least moved up first. All right, so I don't know why, but they're like pushing their tuk-tuk out of the way. And it seems to be like that's the only pump working. Like all these people are in line for this pump. We're in line for this pump. People behind us are in line for this pump. And all these pumps are empty. I guess this is the only one that we can use. Like even the one next to us is out of order. And at this whole station, that is the only pump. Not sure why, but it's definitely the only pump and there's a huge line for it. All right, so last time that he turned it off or it stalled or something, it just decided it didn't want to start anymore. It just took us like a hot minute to get it to start. I took over because this keeps not like starting and it takes a little bit of finicking with it to get it to work, which is why I'm in the front now. It's slightly worrisome, but we're gonna keep messing with it later to try to figure it out, but we still have over a 2-hour drive left. All right, we're getting back on the road. I just messaged the hotel tonight to see if they would let us cancel so we could get a hotel closer. Plus with the tuk-tuk, keep having issues, like it literally just keeps not starting. So fingers crossed they let us cancel, but we'll find out soon.